Carpet is actor Baman Irani. Welcome. Thank you for speaking with us on NewsX today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Firstly, let's just talk about IIFA coming to India once again, Jaipur, Rajasthan. How's your experience been so far? Yes.
I think that I always go back 25 years and think of Andre, Savas and Viraf. What they must have thought of when thinking of the first IIFA. Drinking a cup of coffee and saying, हम लोग को Indian awards, London, New York, Amsterdam, Madrid, Joburg, Column, क्या सोचे होंगे उन लोग? What were they thinking when they came up with this beautiful, brave and stupid thought? Because it's stupid because if it fails, then you'll really feel stupid. But if it succeeds, it becomes what it is today. And it's become this huge extravaganza and celebration of our films, and we owe them a huge debt of gratitude for what they have done for the film industry. No, we don't thank them enough.
No doubt, absolutely, truly taking Indian cinema abroad. But just talking, of course, now about Rajasthan as well, where it's happening. Any memories of yours of this place? Any thoughts of the food here or the sights and sounds?
Okay, the food don't start me off because I'll suddenly want to go and eat something. Suddenly my mouth is watering. But I have been, even as a photographer, been to Rajasthan many times to cover a lot of things. As a photographer, I have shot a couple, 2-3 ads over here in the Some Desert, and I have, of course, shot 90%, maybe more, of 100% of Eklavya. We shot it over here, all across Rajasthan, and my film. The Mehta Boys. I came for one of my major writing retreats here in Udaipur and wrote about 30 pages of Mehta Boys here in Udaipur.
Wow,
yeah.
That's something we didn't know.
Yeah.
And that's going to be my final question to you. Yesterday were the digital awards, and the digital medium has been very kind to you earlier.
Yes.
But now Mehta Boys, so much of love for it has streamed in, all over the world on Prime. What would you say about it?
Well, I am a great believer in not saying छोटी सी फिल्म है, कुछ भी छोटा नहीं होता है, कोई भी छोटा नहीं होता है, no audience member, no cast member, no, कोई भी छोटा नहीं होता है. Film है, and the world and the love that it's getting makes me emotional. Next year, hopefully, we'll be here with Mehta Boys. Hopefully, if we get nominated. But having said that, I'm a little overwhelmed by the love and the appreciation, and also, apart from anything else, that the cinema and everything has been appreciated. It is touching people in ways that they call it an experience. For me, it is the greatest compliment.
Well, it's come from you, so it is an experience. Thank you so much for joining us today, and wishing you all the best.
You're most kind.
Thank you so much. With journalist Rakesh Uday Pratap Singh in Jaipur, NewsX.
चलिए खबरों में आगे बढ़